Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Today we're here with Skeng, Canada. Big up yourself, Skeng. Oh yeah, doing. I believe this is Drop Top Records. Believe so. So let's jump in that one and see what the G has said. Let's go. Yeah,
modest life. Murder in a pop pit. Set decision. Drop top. Step no. Hey, gunman. You say murder. Swag shop. No.
Hey, boy.
Bend them up on a plane pod. Yeah, for the flame pod. Up in the Canada, here, then you placing just so.
Hold on, them man. Nah, big up Drop Top. Big up Drop Top. Big up yourself.
Modest life.
Big up
Murder in a pop pit. Set decision. Drop top. Step no. Hey, gunman. You say murder. Swag shop. No.
Murder, yeah, no.
Bend them up on a plane pod. Yeah, for the flame pod. Up in the Canada, here, then you placing just so when the shame. How many I like him, I just spit in their face. Yo, what up? On a plane pod, yeah, for the flame pod. Up in the Canada, here, then you placing just so when the shame. How many I like him, I just spit in their face. Yo, what up? I'm champagne. Yo, I could tell I got to be waiting in my room. Me advice up, be a dog play like come on.
Yeah, the man said in that room with my voice up, be a dub plate. You know, back in the days, they back in the days, artists them used to Africa studio. These young artists nowadays, them not Africa no studio, them can do it in a one car, them can do it in a one living room, one bedroom, one kitchen, them can do it anywhere. Voice dub plates. So big up the young artists, them do them things. Skeng big myself.
How many I like him, I just spit in their face. Yo, what up? I'm champagne. Yo, I could tell I got to be waiting in my room. Me advice up, be a dog play like come on, I go make the place rain. Hey, a big spender, heavyweight champ, big body girl, make the shape, bam bam.
Yo, them girl are broad in a brother. Them girl are broad in a dog.
Hey, a big spender, heavyweight champ, big body girl, make the shape, bam bam. Yo, and you're the gang, you better try no. I know, go we go tear down that.
Man say, I want rat gang, you better try know that, and anywhere we go, we are going to tear down that. Me don't want to get distracted by the girls, but it's hard not to. Skeng, big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself, my fam.
Yo, and you're the gang, you better try no. I know, go we go tear down that.
You know what I'm saying? And we can't be stopped. I don't see nobody stop. I don't see none to come after us either. No, nobody will never do this again. There's this many niggas and this much money. Can't get along. Let's stay together. They gon' fall out over girls and stuff. We don't fall out over.
Ready again. Man rip up Canada with you.
That's it for pick up black, you know. Kids will come in the fire while shot another fuss and I hear them.
I like the fact that the song. It's like him in the studio, him get distracted. He must spit some lyrics and get distracted. And the producer say, yo, or the engineer say, yo, DJ, yourself to pick up back, you know. And then just sketch back the rhythm. But I like the pattern,
Let's stay together. They gon' fall out over girls and stuff. We don't fall out over.
DJ, that's it for pick up black, you know. Kids will come in the fire while shot another fuss and I hear them iron black. I kill a life with the action in the way in the world bomb that Amsterdam bomb. Conquer that town after. All of a sudden everybody get bad. Bad to bad from a touch pan the land. Me no see a rich man better than my right hand. Your church brother them.
Man say me no see a rich man better than my right hand. It don't mean him physical right hand, it mean what in him right hand, brother. Him no see a next man better than him right hand, brother. Obviously, a right hand him use. So anything him a knock it to it, I'm right hand him I use. So you know see a next man better than him right hand. Bars. Conquer that town after. All of a sudden everybody get bad. Bad to bad from a touch pan the land. Me no see a rich man better than my right hand. Your church brother him not kill nothing, my friend, you a regular. Man say what you say? Your church brother, you not kill nothing, my friend. We go by people that go church, yeah, man. All of a sudden everybody get bad. Bad to bad from a touch pan the land. Me no see a rich man better than my right hand. Your church brother him not kill nothing, my friend, you a regular, my circle, my laps, panamins.
Then this what you get. Everybody shining like new money. There ain't no other crew like this in the world. It never will be enough. Not black. It never will be. Because I said that if niggas like this are shining all together, being together, doing shit every day, then they gon' fall out.
Yo, the boss in our bumbo clap crooks too. Yo, the G, what is that?
Somebody gon' rob, steal, the kill. I have yet to see that.
Yo, drop top.
Big up yourself, drop top.
I know we're not going, man.
Look at the boss got tear up piece of Canada with him, man. Him can him tear up piece of Canada wicked with you. So you don't know him there Canada, so him just drop a video from Canada. That big drop that. Big up yourself, my G. Yeah, put in the work in, my G. Enough artists you work with it, my friend. Big up yourself, my G. Big up Birmingham too, man. Yes, man.
Rich and bad. No, I'm on the line.
Yeah, man. Big up Drop Top, man. Big up the whole of Birmingham, man. Perry Bar, Soul Road. You see me? Lazels. Big up all of them places, man. You don't know a thing, man. Yo. The girl in the video distract me for the whole video. I miss whole heap of bars. So I'm sure you're not gonna tell me I miss whole heap of bars. I know I miss whole heap of bars. The girl in the video distract me. And anything girl in there, I go and so me have to get distracted. Sorry. Me just love them. Me just can't do without them. Like, Skeng, big up yourself, though, my G. Solid. You see me? Drop top like me say, dog, you put in the work, bro. Continue put in the work, bro. Greatness of forward. You see me? Yeah. So yes, I'm still. So yes, I'm gonna leave it. If you enjoyed that one, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you in the next one, man.